Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check trending hashtags on Instagram. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first thing what we're going to do here, we'll go and open Instagram app. And now once we're here, we're going to click on the Reels. In here we have a lot of Reels as you can see over here. And so for example, if we click on the description of the Reel over here, we'll have some hashtags. And if we click on the hashtag down here on description, we're going to see the hashtag over here as you can see. But if we click on the search and we're going to search for W22 and click enter and go to tags over here, we're going to see that the first tag, which is W222, has been used 665,000 times. So that's a trending hashtag. But let's say, for example, we like to search for something that we have interested for, such as like soccer, and click on tags. We're going to see the first tag of soccer has been used for 53.2 million times. The second one in order has been 3.6 million times, which is soccer life. It's not always on the order by the most using times, but in that method you can see the trending tags for the things that you're looking for. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.